This is the Little Green Pro by Bissell. We're just getting ready to carpet clean our couches. They are absolutely a disaster. And so when I saw this, I thought this would be a great solution to clean our couches. I haven't ever used it before, so this is our first time using it. My first thoughts are that it is nice and compact. I love that it has a handle up here I can carry around. It does have this cord right here that you can wrap around as well, and then you can wrap around the hose as well. It comes with, let's see, this brush right here. I'm assuming this is how you spray the solution on it, and it does come with a solution as well. So I love too, just looking at it, is you put this over, that comes out so you can empty it very easily, and this part also comes out right here so you can fill it up with water and the solution. So I'm excited to try this out because having 3 kids, 5 and under, my couches are just really messy. So let's see how this cleans up. Okay, so I just used this brush to wet these 2 cushions. As you can see, I'm going to show you guys how it works. It is a little bit loud, so I'm going to turn this on and just show you. You're going to push this button right here, and that is what will spray it, and then you will scrape this brush on, and then it will suck up the water as well. So this is the second brush that it comes with. This is the deep stain tool. It says to keep the brush on it instead of spraying it like this, so you spray it. I've just got some deeper set stains here, as you can see, so we're going to try this brush out and see how it goes. Okay, so I just ran out of my first tank of water. I feel like it actually performed really well. I am spot treating a couple of these with the spot treatment it came with. And let's go take a look at, oh god, so gross. Okay, so to empty it, you just take that off and look at all that dirt that it got out. Oh, don't judge me, that is nasty. So this is super easy to fill up. You just put the solution in there, fill it up with water, and then this easily just closes like that as well. Let's go. Okay, here is the after. It looks so much better. I am like so floored. I am so impressed. This little machine is seriously awesome. I just love how easy it was to use. I love how easy it is to carry around. These handles make it super convenient and easy to load in your cleaner and to dump it out. Look, that's the 3rd time. That is crazy. Super easy to clean out, super easy to use. I love that it came with the different attachment heads, that there's a place to store the hose and the cord. I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but this cord is super long, like very long. And so I really appreciate that. So it can reach hard to like get places. I also think this is definitely going to be so helpful with like cleaning my kids' car seats, taking it out to my car and cleaning it, little stains on my carpet for my kids. This thing is just going to definitely be my little go-to. So if you're looking for an awesome carpet cleaner, I would totally highly recommend this one. It has been just great so far, and I've really, like, look at that improvement. So good. But I would highly recommend, and I hope that this video was helpful.